In the boundless theater of the cosmos, our sun reigns as the lifeblood of Earth, a radiant titan whose golden light and gentle warmth cradle every living thing on this fragile blue sphere. For 4.6 billion years, it has burned steadily, a G-type yellow dwarf fusing hydrogen into helium in its fiery core, sustaining a delicate balance that has allowed life to flourish. But what if this celestial cornerstone were suddenly stripped away, replaced by one of the universe's most extreme and awe-inspiring objects? What if the sun transformed into a red giant, a red dwarf, a blue star, a neutron star, a magnetar, or even a black hole? The consequences would be cataclysmic, each scenario unfurling a tapestry of destruction, wonder, and existential dread. Picture the skies igniting, the oceans boiling, the air turning to ice or fire, each possibility a cinematic spectacle of nature's raw power. Let's embark on this journey through the abyss, exploring how these cosmic titans would reshape our world, unraveling the science behind their might and the fates they would impose upon us. Imagine the sun swelling into a red giant, its once compact form bloating into a monstrous sphere of crimson fury. The sky blazes with an otherworldly glow, as if the heavens themselves have caught fire. The star's surface, churning with tendrils of plasma, expands outward at a terrifying pace, growing 200 times larger than the sun we know. Its luminosity surges, a blinding force 1,000 to 5,000 times greater than today, painting the world in hues of orange and red, so intense that a mere glance would sear the eyes to blindness. The heat strikes like a cosmic hammer, an oppressive wave that turns the air into a shimmering inferno. Temperatures on Earth rocket upward by hundreds of degrees, the ground beneath our feet blistering and cracking as if pleading for mercy. The oceans, those vast cradles of life, begin to roil and bubble, their surfaces steaming as the water evaporates into a thick, suffocating mist. Within minutes, the land ignites, forests burst into flame, cities melt into slag, and the crust itself softens like wax under a blowtorch. Earth's fate is sealed as the red giant's outer atmosphere engulfs it, dragging our planet into its fiery maw. Mercury and Venus vanish first, swallowed whole by the expanding star, their rocky husks reduced to ash in an instant. Earth follows, its surface dissolving into the helium-rich inferno, leaving no trace of the vibrant world it once was. Beyond our doomed planet, Mars faces its own violent reckoning. Its carbon dioxide ice caps and permafrost vaporize in a flash, briefly cloaking the red planet in a thin veil of gas and steam. For a fleeting moment, it seems as though Mars might gain a breathable atmosphere, a cruel tease of hope. But the red giant's solar winds, fierce and unrelenting, strip it away, exposing the Martian surface to heat exceeding the melting point of lead. The sand and rock fuse into a glassy, glowing blob, a red-hot coal suspended in space, only to cool into a lifeless husk as the star's wrath subsides. Further out, the gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, feel the red giant's weakening grip. As the star sheds mass, its gravitational hold falters, and these distant worlds drift aimlessly into the void, untethered from their solar anchor. This is the sun's destiny, projected 5 billion years into the future, but accelerated here into a breathtaking, instantaneous apocalypse, a 9 out of 10 spectacle of cosmic annihilation, marred only by the absence of time to witness its terrible beauty. Now shift the scene to a quieter, subtler doom. The sun shrinks into a red dwarf, a diminutive ember in the sky, its reddish-orange light casting the world into a perpetual twilight. The once brilliant blue dome above fades to a deep, dusky veil, as if day and night have blurred into an eternal dawn. This star, far smaller and cooler than our sun, burns at a mere 3,300 Kelvin, 3,000 degrees Celsius or 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit, its faint glow offering little warmth. You could stare at it briefly without harm, a stark contrast to the blinding red giant, but its dimness heralds a slow, creeping death for Earth. The air chills, a bone-deep cold that settles in with each passing hour. Within a week, global temperatures plummet below minus 18 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Fahrenheit, and within a year, they sink to minus 73 degrees Celsius, minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Snow falls in relentless sheets, blanketing the land in a thick white shroud that muffles all sound. The oceans freeze, their surfaces groaning as ice thickens, locking away the last vestiges of liquid water. Plants, starved of sunlight, wither and brown, their photosynthetic lifelines severed. Animals roam the frozen wastes, their desperate cries fading as the food chain collapses. Humans huddle in dwindling shelters, watching through frosted windows as the world transforms into a silent, icy tomb. Deep beneath the oceans, near hydrothermal vents, a few hardy microbes cling to life, sustained by chemical energy where sunlight no longer reaches. But on the surface, the cold is merciless. The water cycle stalls. No rain, no snow, no wind, just a stillness that blankets the planet in desolation. Worse still, the red dwarf's feeble mass, far less than the sun's, cannot hold the solar system together. Earth, unbound by sufficient gravity, begins to drift, a rogue wanderer in the interstellar void. The cold deepens, the darkness thickens, and the planet becomes a sterile, ice-bound relic, its fate sealed not by fire, but by an unrelenting freeze. This slow demise earns a 4 out of 10 rating, less dramatic than instant incineration, but with a haunting inevitability that lingers like a whisper in the dark. Next, envision the sun igniting into a blue star, a blazing colossus of heat and light that shatters the tranquility of our world. The sky erupts in a stark blue-white glare, so piercing it burns the retinas and scorches the skin. This O-type or B-type main sequence star, among the rarest and most massive in the universe, radiates energy hundreds to thousands of times greater than the sun. Its surface blazes at temperatures exceeding 30,000 Kelvin, over 29,700 degrees Celsius, or 53,500 degrees Fahrenheit, unleashing a torrent of ultraviolet radiation that bathes Earth in a lethal glow. The air turns to a shimmering haze, the ground smoking as the soil cracks and blackens. Buildings warp and liquefy, their frames buckling under the onslaught. The oceans boil away in a matter of days, their once teeming depths reduced to clouds of steam that rise and dissipate into the superheated atmosphere. Life incinerates in an instant. Plants, animals, humans, all reduced to cinders carried on the wind. The planet's crust melts, flowing like molten glass as temperatures soar to hundreds or thousands of degrees. Earth becomes a charred, lifeless rock, a testament to the blue star's unrelenting fury. Even Mars, farther from the inferno, warms briefly, but the radiation renders it a sterile wasteland, unfit for refuge. Yet because this blue star matches the sun's mass, the solar system's orbital dance continues undisturbed. The outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, and beyond, glow under the star's intense light, their icy surfaces sublimating into faint wisps of vapor. This scenario, a 5 out of 10 on the destruction scale, lacks the red giant's explosive grandeur, but delivers a swift, searing end, a reminder of the universe's capacity for beauty and brutality in equal measure. Now plunge into the eerie stillness of a neutron star replacing the sun. Born from the cataclysmic death throes of a supernova, this tiny, dense remnant, barely 20 kilometers across, packs 1.5 times the sun's mass into a sphere so compact it defies comprehension. The sky fades to an inky black within 8 minutes, the last rays of sunlight extinguished as if a curtain has fallen across the heavens. Stars twinkle mockingly in the eternal night, but the moon and planets vanish, their reflected light snuffed out. The neutron star itself is invisible, its presence betrayed only by the subtle warping of space around it. Earth plunges into darkness, a cold so profound it freezes the breath in your lungs. Without sunlight, photosynthesis halts, and the green tapestry of life unravels. Plants die first, followed by the animals that depend on them, until the surface is a frozen wasteland. But this is no quiet death. If the neutron star is a pulsar, its spinning core unleashes periodic blasts of high-energy radiation. X-rays and gamma rays that sweep across the planet like cosmic searchlights. The sky flares with aurora-like glows, a haunting beauty that masks their lethality. These pulses fry electronics, burn skin, and riddle survivors with radiation sickness. A dual assault of freezing and frying that leaves no refuge. Deep beneath the ice-locked oceans, near hydrothermal vents, some microbes might endure, but the surface is a barren, irradiated scar. The neutron star's mass mirrors the sun's, preserving the solar system's orbital harmony, but Earth itself is a casualty of this silent, energetic tyrant. This scenario, a 7 out of 10, blends the eerie calm of darkness with the violent bursts of radiation, an epic yet unforgiving end to our world. Then confront the overwhelming power of a magnetar, a neutron star magnified to unimaginable extremes. The sun vanishes, replaced by this 20-kilometer-wide behemoth, its magnetic field trillions of times stronger than Earth's. The sky remains dark, devoid of visible light, as the magnetar pours its energy into X-rays and gamma rays. Its surface burns at millions of degrees, yet its tiny size and radiant form mean little warmth reaches Earth. Instead, the planet is assaulted by an invisible force, magnetic chaos that fries satellites, shorts power grids, and tears apart technological civilization in an instant. The Earth's own magnetic field buckles, compressed and shredded by the magnetar's might. Radiation floods in, stripping away the atmosphere's protective embrace, bathing the surface in a deadly glow. Auroras ignite the sky in dazzling, apocalyptic displays, shimmering curtains of green and violet that herald doom. Life unravels at the cellular level, DNA shattered by the onslaught. The planet trembles, its core quivering under the magnetic strain, until it stands as a lifeless husk, its surface scarred and silent. This 8 out of 10 catastrophe marries invisible power with visceral destruction, a cosmic tempest that leaves nothing in its wake. Finally face the void of a black hole, a sun-mass singularity that devours all light and heat. The sky turns pitch black, the sun's fiery disk replaced by an abyss so profound it chills the soul. Stars gleam faintly, their light bending around the black hole's gravitational lens, smearing into arcs and rings visible only through a telescope. The moon and planets fade, their reflections lost, and Earth is cast into an eternal night. The air grows frigid, a slow, creeping cold that blankets the land in snow and ice. The oceans freeze solid, their surfaces cracking under the weight of the chill, as life fades into a monochrome stillness. This black hole, matching the sun's mass, maintains the solar system's orbits, but Earth's fate is sealed by the absence of energy. After years, the planet's equilibrium temperature drops to minus 240 degrees Celsius, minus 400 degrees Fahrenheit, a deep freeze that entombs all surface life. Some internal heat lingers briefly, but it's a futile resistance against the inevitable. This 6 out of 10 scenario offers no fiery spectacle or radiant fury, just a quiet, relentless descent into the cold, a haunting reminder of the sun's irreplaceable role. Even a nanosecond near a black hole's event horizon would stretch you into cosmic spaghetti. But here, at a safe distance, it's the slow erasure of warmth that claims us. In every twist of this cosmic tale, the sun's absence reveals its profound necessity. Whether consumed by fire, frozen in darkness, or shattered by radiation, Earth crumbles without its star. The red giant's inferno, the red dwarf's chill, the blue star's blaze, the neutron star's dual assault, the magnetar's magnetic storm, and the black hole's void, each paints a vivid portrait of destruction, awe, and loss. The sun, a humble yellow dwarf, emerges as an unsung hero, its steady glow a fragile thread holding life together. As we gaze into the night sky, let us marvel at this unassuming star, for in its light lies our existence, and in its absence, our end. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wonders of space. Your support makes it possible to continue sharing the marvels of the universe with the world. We can keep exploring the stars and uncovering the secrets of the cosmos. Until next time, keep looking up.